TCN vending machine selling cup noodles. This is a beverage and coffee combo vending machine from TCN, which has 4 kinds of cold drinks and 4 kinds of hot drinks. An all-in-one solution for instant food and instant beverages. The machine can sell instant foods such as snacks, drinks, and cup noodles. Example of selling cup noodles. Click to buy cup noodles. Payment can be customized. After the dispense is successful, then placed it at the take cup place. Press the hot water button. Instant hot water. Enjoy delicious cup noodles.